Everyone is suggesting you to do research on hashtags to grow your page, but no one is explaining you how can you do that. Actually, doing research on hashtags is something no one can explain you in messages. In this video, I am going to answer all these questions related to hashtags. How many hashtags should we use? Which hashtags should we use? How to do research on hashtags? Where should we use hashtags? When should we change hashtags? Should we use applications to search hashtags? I am going to explain all these points in details with examples. Watch this video till last because this video can really help you to grow your page faster. This is Nikhil and you are watching Motivating Machine. If you are new to our channel, click this subscribe button and bell icon to get latest updates of our new videos. Let's continue. The first question is, how many hashtags should we use? It is said that 9 hashtags are best to bring your post in top of hashtags feed. But I don't know why in my research I found that 25 to 30 hashtags gives us better reach when we compare to 9 hashtags. You can try 9 also, but I will suggest you to use 25 to 30 hashtags. Second question is, which hashtags should we use? Use only those hashtags which are very specific to your niche. For example, I have my motivational quote page. I will select only those hashtags which I am able to relate with each of my posts. You will get your answer for third question also, how to do research on hashtags in this point only. As I told you to use 30 hashtags, first 10 hashtags will be of very low reach, next 10 hashtags will be of medium reach, and next 5 hashtags will be of high reach. Which means first 10 hashtags will have 10k to 500k posts. Next 10 hashtags will have 500k to 1 million posts. Another 5 hashtags will have above 1 million posts. Don't get confused, I have told you only 25 hashtags. Remaining 5 hashtags I will tell you in this video later. So let's get into tutorial how to do research and find most relevant hashtags for your page. Use notes to write your hashtags. Here I am writing title as set 1 and I will write 3 category: high, medium and low. Now let's search for hashtags. I'll open Instagram and search for my hashtag motivational quotes. This hashtag has 27.7 million posts, so I can write it in high category. So I'll just write this hashtag in my notes in high category. Now let's see other hashtag it's suggesting. Inspirational quotes has 24.7 million posts. Again it's in high category. Quotes and sayings have 2 million posts. High category. Quotes tag has 604k posts. We can write it in medium category. Quotes lover has 729k posts. Again we can write in medium category. Hashtag quotes hurt has 325k. We can write it in low category. Similarly, we will write 5 for high category, 10 for medium category and another 10 for low category. So we have gathered 25 hashtags. Now we'll remove these headings high, medium and low. So our set 1 is completed. Similarly, we can make 5 to 10 sets of these 25 hashtags. Fourth question is, where should you use hashtags? You can use your hashtags in description of post or in comments. It doesn't matter because both will give same reach. I use in comment section because it makes more sense, as hashtags are something which is not necessary for everyone to read. Question number 5. When should we change hashtags? When we will start using these hashtags for our account, initially its reach will increase, and at certain time, might be after 1 year, it will start decreasing. At that point, do this research again and change these hashtags and come up with new and most trending hashtags in your niche. And if your account is shadow banned, then change each of these hashtags you have used before. Sixth question is, should we use applications to search hashtags? Never use any applications to search hashtags because these applications will give you those hashtags which will have very high competition in your niche. And if you will use that, your post will sink in ocean of hashtags. Despite of these points, if you are using hashtags in comment section, then make sure you do comment within 30 minutes of posting, because after that it won't give you reach. Make 5 to 10 sets of 25 hashtags and use them in rotation. And one very important point is, don't switch these hashtags frequently, because it takes 15 to 30 days to make these hashtags account friendly. You can see the result within 30 days if you will maintain the quality of content. I have told you only 25 hashtags. Now I am going to tell you remaining 5 hashtags. We'll post one quote, and in that I will show you how to use those hashtags. We'll write any caption. Give credits to respective owner of this background. Okay, now everything is done. Now we'll share this post. As I told, I'll use hashtags in comment section. I'll copy all those hashtags. Set 1. I'll copy these 25 hashtags. I'll put in comment section. Now remaining 5 hashtags I'll use very specific to each of this post. It will be different for each of posts. For example, hashtag Yaach, as Yaach is there in this pic. Hashtag rich, hashtag boxing, hashtag millionaire. I'll use only 4 hashtags. Don't keep same number of hashtags in each post. Here I have used 4, so total there are 29 hashtags. Now you can see we have used 29 hashtags in comment section.
So we hope this video will help you to bring your post in top of hashtag speed. If you found this video useful, give this video a like and click that subscribe and bell icon. This is Nikhil, you are watching Motivating Machine. Thank you for giving your time. See you in next video.